Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a sports collaboration with Polished Kisses. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I'll be using this square hue called Stars. And you can't see the shimmer in it, but it does have some. It does show up on the nails, but it's just not playing nice with the camera. I figured this would be a nice base to, start off my manicure with. Something I could do a design over. It's like a really super duper light pink. So here we're going to go in with the second coat of Stars. And I do have a huge collection of square hue polishes, but since I'm no longer getting a subscription box from them, I tend to forget that I have them. So it was nice and happy to find these and, get to play with them. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Now before I forget, I'll have a link for Polished Kisses down below. Please go check out her video. I would love for you to show her some love. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Sonia W103, some Collab stampers and my beauty scraper, and Braves Diva Game Over to stamp with. And I've decided to go with a girly soccer theme on my nails. So I'm going to plop up a couple of these soccer images to fill in, doing some advanced stamping today. I did clean that plate off with pure acetone so I can get it nice and clean. And here we go with our second pickup. And I'll be filling it in with Shutout from Braves Diva, using a little dotting tool to fill in these images. And I'm not a huge sports fan. I do like soccer. It's just I don't come from a line of sports fans. So, I do have an appreciation. I did play basketball as a young girl for a little while. And, we played baseball out in the yard with the neighbors and stuff like that. But I've never really followed teams or anything like that. So I have to be honest, and this is kind of getting out of my comfort zone, but I always love a challenge like this. So I want to thank Drew for drawing me out of my little box and getting me to, do something a little different. Just because I'm not into it don't mean other people aren't, right? I can still support that. I can get behind it. By the way, Drew is my friend, and her channel is called Polished Kisses. So I don't want y'all to be confused. I decided I wanted to use this mystical polish from LA Colors, the Mermaid series. I needed it to be just a little bit more pink. You guys know me. So there it is with the topper over it. And I'll be using the Super Dry that I get from the Dollar Tree as my sticky base today. Since I'm just doing two nails, I thought I would break this out. And I used to use this all the time to apply my decals. But, when you have so much, sometimes you forget about things. But this is a good one, and it's cheap. It's $1 at the Dollar Tree. And it does work really good for holding those decals down and helping them stick onto the nail. So we're going to test these. I'm not seeing any fingerprints, so we're going to go ahead and roll these onto the nails. Oh, I love it. My girly soccer balls. Okay, I was going to put that one on there, but I decided no, don't do that. And now I'm going to flip the image around and apply this one differently. But then I've got some blank places, so I'm going to use the extra pieces from this one and the other one to kind of just fill it in. And, it looks a little clustered, but I'd rather it look clustered than empty. And here we go. We're going to just do a little bit of cleanup here. Not too bad today. Got some tidying up to do around the cuticle. Then we've got to take care of that end. I'm just doing my little tap with that acetone in my brush. And it just kind of melts it. Just melts it away. Easy peasy cleanup here, y'all. There's nothing hard going on right here. Now, I will tell you that Drew does her nail art freehand. So go over there and see if you can get any pointers from her. And I will be topping this one with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I do not want to smear that black and white design that's on that nail, or that nail. Either one of them. No smearing today, please. And now that that's dry, I'm going to top it all off with some Poshe top coat, seal it in, and call this collaboration to done. I always love collaborating with my friends. It's so much fun to see everybody's take on a theme. So this one is mine, and I really enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead and top these other nails off with some of the Poshe as well. Get them all sealed up and glossy and plump looking. There we go. And here is my manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please go check out Polished Kisses. Like I said, I'll have a link down below. And this is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.